This gross motor activity is going to work on upper extremity strengthening, postural strength, postural stability, core strength, all of which are necessary for our fine motor activities. So we need a patch of wall and either some kind of ball, or you could use a cylinder like a container of wipes. All we're going to do is we're going to roll the ball up the wall. Our eyes are watching where the ball's rolling, watching where our hands are going. So our ocular motor strengthening is going inferior and superior, up and down. And then for our next one, I'm going to use a tennis ball. We can just roll it up. We're alternating which hand we're using. So we're doing a reciprocal or an alternating bilateral pattern. For the cylinder, we can just similar to a ball, roll it up and down. For a bigger ball, also works. And as high as I can go. And that's that activity. Have fun.